Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1208 at Angsana Teluk Bahang in Penang, Malaysia. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the back of the door with the floor plan. Right here we have a slot to insert the key card for the room's power, do not disturb and make up room switches, the light switches for the foyer and the bathroom. And speaking of the bathroom, here is the bathroom. To the left, we have the bathtub. Here we have the shower. It is a dual setup, so you have the rain shower as well as the handheld shower. Here we have the toilet. The bathroom amenities, towels down below, hand towels right there, and the sink is in the middle. A mirror right there, hello. Another mirror. A plug. And that is the view that you get as you enter the room. Here we have the wardrobe area. The wardrobe doors also double up as mirrors. And in the wardrobe, in-room zippers, drawers, in-room safe, torchlight, storage above. We have hangers, bathrobes, a place to put your luggage. And below, that looks like an umbrella with storage. And you have the ironing board and iron as well. Okay, so here we have the connecting room door. Climate control panel, plug down below. Here we have the desk area with the chair, the bin, plugs, another mirror, pantry area with more plugs, another light switch, bottles of water, here we have all the tea and coffee making stuff with cups and whatnot. And here we have the fridge. The items in the fridge are free for the first time, and subsequent times you have to pay. Okay, so here we have the bed. Looks quite comfortable. On the right bedside table, we have the TV remote, writing materials, clock, in-room telephone, light switches, plugs, a light right above. You have a light right there. And on the left bedside table, we have another light, more switches and more plugs. And I believe, nope, there's no storage on this side. Here we have a sofa-like thing. I guess You could either sit there or put your luggage there. Flat screen LG TV. Light switches. More plugs and whatnot down there. And the view that I get out of the room is the sea. Get the beach below the hotel. Or rather the beach next to the hotel that is down below. This is actually quite a nice view. But yeah, that's it for the room tour of room 1208 at Angsana Teluk Bahang in Penang, Malaysia. Thanks for watching and goodbye.